Hi guys, I just want to show you real quick how to do this day 3 to 5 health insurance exploration project. Um, so hopefully you watch this video first before you get started, but when you open up the assignment, I want you to go to this first link, Insurance Budgeting Day 4, and you're going to be taken to a Google Doc, and at the top left corner, your name should be listed because everyone's going to have their own copy, so you're not editing the same copy. And as you go through this, you're just going to fill things out on the right side. So I would obviously type in my name under name. And then we're going to start with these activities. The activities are on the left side. Your response to them will be on the right side. So discuss these questions with your, well, not really with your classmates, so I'm going to get rid of that right now. Um, you're just going to discuss these questions. Delete that. So on the right side is the question, which do you think is more important, paying for health insurance every month or saving for your retirement? Why do you feel this way? Just underneath, you are going to type out your response. And like it's Google Docs, so it will save automatically. Then you're going to take this health and finance quiz, and I put spots where I want you to write your scores. So if you click on this, it will take you to another link, and you're just going to answer the questions and just on a scrap sheet of paper or something, or even with your phone, take a picture of it and then add up your scores, and it's going to tell you what your scores mean. And I just want you to go back to the Google Docs and record that. Then we have another website, the financial impact of improved health behaviors. I'm telling you to read the website and then I give you some directions. So give 3 examples of direct links between health and finance. So for example, quitting smoke saves you money on packs of cigarettes. Then give 3 examples of indirect links. For example, overweight women tend to be paid less than their counterparts for the same work. So that's kind of based on the reading and also just based on your opinion. It's kind of opinion based. Then I have some questions for you. So you're going to open up this link for how does health insurance work, and then there's some multiple choice questions. So the best way I would do is, so what are 3 primary sources of health insurance? 3 correct answers: purchased individually from a health insurance agent, Medicaid, purchased from health insurance market, employer sponsored. I just want you to highlight what you think. So there are 3, so you would choose 3. You can either highlight it, bold it, um, here are all the little buttons for it, highlight, whatever you want to do, just so I know that that's the answer you're choosing. Because obviously we can't really circle it on Google Docs. Unless you find a way to do that, go for it. Again, there's an infographic if you want to read it. Then there's some questions to answer, an article with some questions, some vocabulary to answer after watching a video, um, some frequently answered questions about health insurance, which question and answer is most surprising to you. Just go ahead and read that. Um, Another article, and then we get to step 12. In step 12, it says, complete this activity, which will walk through how to shop for health insurance. So you're going to go back to the classroom and open up insurance activity day 4. And then on this one, it opens, there we go. I have you the assignment here, and it just goes ahead and tells you what to do for each part, and then some questions to answer. Close out of that. And then if we go back to this doc to keep reading with your directions, um, number 13 is health and wellness activities. So you can go back to classroom and open up this document. And this one's a little more fun, looking at what other costs are considered in your health care. So this is more like your grooming, going to the gym, staying active, wellness, and you're going to kind of fill out the table based on that. And then number 15, key takeaways. So talking about this activity as a whole, what's one thing you learned, one thing that surprised you, how does this affect your the everyday person, etc. Again, don't have to write paragraphs, just one paragraph, simple enough for me. And then when you're done with all 3, you're just going to go and you're going to hit the turn in button that should pop up in the top right corner. Because this is a lengthy assignment, I am giving you multiple days to work on it, so you won't get any new assignments during those days. So this will be given out on Monday the 23rd at 8 a.m. and it won't be due until Thursday, is that the 27th? Let me see. Thursday the 26th, sorry, at 8 a.m. Okay, so you'll have 3 days. You won't get any additional assignments. You can just work through this. So whether you want to work through it in one sitting, in one day, go for it. If you want to break it up, remember it is Google Docs, so it will save automatically. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, but hopefully this summarizes this a little better and makes sense for you. Thanks for watching.